First patented in the US in 1949, MIG welding is a type of arc welding that uses a consumable wire electrode and an inert gas, such as argon or helium, to join metal. MIG stands for Metal Inert Gas. In this episode of Radwell's How It Works series, we're going to explore how MIG welding works. First, let's review the main components of a MIG welding setup. First is the power supply, which supplies DC power to the setup. Second is the wire feed unit, which feeds the consumable wire electrode to the welding gun. Third is the consumable wire electrode, which is the filler metal for the weld. Fourth is the welding gun, which is used to strike the arc and feed the consumable wire electrode to the weld pool. Next is the ground clamp, which grounds the setup. And finally is the shielding gas, which protects the weld from contaminants in the air. Now that we reviewed the main components of a MIG welding setup, let's talk about how it works. First, the unit is set up. The wire is loaded, the gas is turned on, and the voltage and wire feed speed are set. Next, the trigger is pulled, which creates the arc between the copper contact tube inside of the gun and the workpiece. Also with the trigger engaged, the wire will begin to feed, creating the weld pool and adding the filler metal. The gun is moved along the area to be joined, keeping a proper distance and angle to create the weld. MIG welding is used in a variety of industries, including automotive, oil and gas, manufacturing, and construction. If you like this information on MIG welding, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. Also, be sure to check out our What Is video to learn more about the MIG welding process. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.